Everyone at Gustavus at some point has noticed the huge shelf of bananas in the caf. I make sure to pick one up almost every time I go. They are great in smoothies, on toast, even just plain. They also have many health benefits. They are full of vitamin B6, vitamin C, and potassium. They also contain fiber, antioxidants, and are known to slightly improve kidney health. The people who attend Gustavus are the end users of these bananas provided to us by the purchasing manager at Gustavus. The purchasing manager at Gustavus is Sherry Jacobson. I emailed her and she was able to give me some great information. Twice a week she gets 8 shipments of organic bananas from Equal Exchange. Some days she is not able to get a shipment from the co-op that has the Equal Exchange bananas, so she must buy bananas from Bix and U.S. Foods. They are not organic bananas like Equal Exchange, but they are certified sustainable. Equal Exchange bananas are great because they are organic and they are fair trade, so the farmers and workers are compensated fairly. However, the quality of the bananas are unpredictable with Equal Exchange sometimes. She has a hard time choosing between Equal Exchange and Bix or U.S. Foods, because she has to sell the bananas, but also wants to support the workers that produce these bananas. Most students just look for the best and brightest yellow bananas. However, you can make an impact by helping out banana farmers by looking for the Equal Exchange sticker on the bananas. Buy those ones and let them ripen if they are not ripe. Since the main brand being sold at Gustavus is Equal Exchange, I decided to look deeper into what their brand was all about. I looked into their website and also gave them a call. I found out that they purchased their bananas from 2 Latin American organizations of farmers. El Gabo in Peru is an organization of 350 small-scale banana farms that are run by farmers and not corporations. They claim that for every 40 pounds of bananas sold by a farm, the farmers get an extra $1 from fair trade. The other location of Equal Exchange is CEPIBO in Peru. There are 7 different farmers associations composed of 800 families which operate in about 4 square miles. They recently constructed 3 new packaging facilities to help them speed up the supply chain process. This greatly increased efficiency and capacity. They pride themselves on giving smaller farmers a platform to sell their bananas. It is hard to keep up with the larger organizations such as Dole and Chiquita, since they do not compensate their workers fairly so that they are able to sell their bananas very cheap, at about half the price of an apple. It is a great thing that they are helping bring back the power to the farmers. I did not find too much on the website of Equal Exchange about the processing and harvesting of their bananas, so I resorted in Dole to give more insight about how the bananas are processed once they are harvested and ready to be processed. The bananas are first washed with chlorinated water, then inspected to make sure that it is a good bushel of bananas. They randomly select a few bananas from each bushel to cut in half to examine. Bananas' hands are cut from the stem, then placed in a tank of water so that they are protected. This also removes excess latex that is found in the bananas. The stems are recycled once they are cut off. They then go through another quality inspection once they are removed from the water tank. They are placed on trays and go through a conveyor belt to the sticker station. The stems are then wiped with a preserving substance so that they stay fresh. The bananas are packaged in boxes designed for long-distance travel. The boxes are made of a material that allows them to ripen during transport. The boxes are weighed before transport to make sure they have the right amount of bananas. They are then shipped around to stores that can sell them. The first process the farmers must go through is determining if the bananas are ripe enough to pick. They use a 2-finger measuring instrument to do so. When harvesting, they work together in threes and pick the bananas when they are still green. Upon transport to the processing locations, foam is placed between the bananas so that they don't get bruised or damaged. They use a machete to cut the stem off of the plant, then cut the leaves off the plants and lay them on the ground so more bananas may grow later on. The bushels are very heavy and can weigh around 65 pounds. The workers cannot carry them long distances, so they place them on a cable system that is pulled by a donkey or horse to the packaging locations. By starting with end users such as ourselves and working back to the farming techniques used to harvest bananas, I hope I give a better understanding of the supply chain of bananas.